Hello guys, and welcome to a new Witch Casket unboxing. This is the October box. The time flies. So we'll open it, and if you don't know, it's a subscription box. I'll have the link down below for it if you want to check it out. And this is how it looks. And this is the information thingy. So this month is Magical Intentions. And then here's our most coveted casket of the year is here. October Witch Casket's all about magical intentions. We hope the contents will help you harness the power of intent and add extra power and potency to your craft. So, and then it just shows some of the let's say something about the items. And the artwork for this month is this. I'm not really a fan of this art, but oh my god. And the art is by Moonchild Soph. This month's art print was created by the talented Sophie, whose work is both enchanting and captivating. It's just not my style, but probably is for someone. Then we have this Witch Casket Manifestation Bat Ritual. I don't have a bat, so but I heard people say with bath salts and stuff that you can use this as a foot bath instead, so maybe I will try that. So we have our crystal, looks like quartz. Let's see. Where is it? There is it. Yeah, clear quartz to add power to your intention. So nothing too special. Then it's a bat pouch, so the herbs don't get all over the place. And you have this is the heart seas associated with wishes and good fortune, and dandelion leaf to help wishes come true. I guess I also could use them in spell jars instead. Then it's just instructions. Best done during a new or waxing moon. So that was that. Then we have the month's pin, and I have no idea how to say that, so I'm not gonna even try to say. I like it, but I don't think I'll put it on my bag because it's a little bit, out there, so yeah. And Witch Casket Trick or Treat, vegan Belgian chocolate. Just dark chocolate. I'm not a fan of dark chocolate. Just a normal chocolate, nothing special. And yes, then we have this pumpkin spice tea An uplifting brew to bring abundance, power, and protection. It looks like this. And it says an upland brew with notes of cinnamon and pumpkin spice to bring abundance, power, and protection. Luxury ingredients: black tea, apple, orange, rosehip, hibiscus, calendula, sunflower petals, and cinnamon. Antioxidant level high, caffeine content medium. Magical properties as follows. Apple is abundance and love. Orange is abundance and good luck. Rosehip, protection and abundance. Sunflower, courage and power. And cinnamon, good luck and abundance. So that sounds very good. I'm allergic to apple, so we'll see how that goes, because I'm not allergic to all the kinds, just some. Then we have this bag. And this is a hematite. Hematite is a stone of balance and stability. It will help you to feel grounded, increase concentration and focus, and boost your self-esteem. Hematite is a protective stone which dispels negativity and bring a positive vibration. Jesus, English is hard today. So that sounds good. I'm not sure if I have one of these. I don't think so. So that's nice. Then we have this travel altar tin box. And this is what's inside. We have incense cone stand. Just have a little gold stand for incense cones. And we have coconut incense cones. It smells very good. They don't have a strong smell, so I just set them like that. An orange tea light candle. This smells very strong. You barely can smell the coconut in the incense because the coconut in this smells so strong. And yeah, the coconut incense cones is for protection and purification. And the tea light is for personal power, energy and confidence. And then we have a little bag with crystal quartz chips. And that's to add power to any spell or ritual. So it's a nice little travel altar. It's nice. And then we have this. It's super cute. Okay, I've seen so many like unboxings of different boxes, and I've seen so many people get these cute spoons. I'm like, I want one too because they're so pretty. So what does it say? A charming spoon to steer you and tend into magical tea, coffee, brews and potions. Just love it. So cute. Ooh. Almost dropped it. Then we have this bag, magical intention stones. And it's these flat stones on quartz, I think. Use these magical quartz stones to add power and intent to your spells, ritual, charm bags, etc. Symbols meaning are as follow. This is an eye, and that is for insight. we have a heart one. That's for love. We have a fish for abundance and fertility. And a tree for growth. And a pentacle for protection. I love these. They're so pretty. And you also get it. This but also says the meaning. Then we have one last item and the scroll, I think. Yes. And it's this Witch Casket exclusive magical intention mug. Put the magical power of intention into practice. Turn your tea, coffee, potion, or brews into a quick spell by staring your desires into them. And I got an email that they did something wrong with the design, so they are going to ship a new one when they have made a new one. And on one side it says Dazul to banish stir counterwise and Vidurshins to invoke stir clockwise. And I think they did it reversed, that Vidurshine is to banish and Dazul is to invoke. Or something like that, or I don't know what I did wrong, but it was something with Dazul and Vidurshine. I have no idea what that is, so yeah, I can't explain it, because I don't know. Put the magical power intention into practice. Imbue your teas, coffee, potion, and brews with intent, and work a quick spell by steering your desires into them. With this mug, we are honoring ancient, forgotten words. So, yes. It's a cute mug, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one though, since this is wrong. But I'm glad they're sending a new one, because, you know, that's good customer service. They just didn't notice before they were shipped out, and you know, mistakes happen. They're only human. And they do fix up on it, so that's what matters. Then we have the scroll. It's magical intentions. So you can pause and read if you want to. So that was it for this box, and I'm, as always, very happy. I like the spoon, I really like this one. The stone, I don't think I have this. The travel altar, the intention stones, I really liked. The chocolate, I'm not a fan of dark chocolate, but I probably eat it anyways, because I love chocolate in general. The pin, you know, it's beautiful, but I don't know. So, yes, that was it. So I hope you enjoy watching this, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, take care, be safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.